There's something right now in your house, home, townhome, condo, apartment, or even just down the road that might make you money in this side hustle that has a simple business profile. Well, you can work independently, you can work remotely, you can work consistently. It has a simple business model, simple payment, and simple work, the actual work itself. So if it's so simple, why aren't more people doing it? Now there's nationwide availability, which is good, but once you learn what this is, you might not want to do it. But watch this entire video. It might change your mind if this gig app truly pays. This platform is called LaundryCare. We partner with opportunity seekers, entrepreneurs to work independently with LaundryCare. So that thing that I mentioned that you have, or at least have access to, a washer and dryer, that kind of monotonous task can make you money. Let me show you how. All we're doing here on LaundryCare is picking up, washing and folding, and then delivering that clean laundry. But that big asterisk in the middle of this, dirty laundry, specifically someone else's dirty laundry, is it worth it? In this video, let's go over the qualifications, most importantly, the pay here, and see, do you really want to do this? And by the way, I have done a similar platform. Let's get into it. What do you need to get started? Obviously, basic laundry equipment, functional washer, dryer, iron, and available folding space. A reliable vehicle, obviously you need to pick up the stuff and deliver it, a flexible schedule, smartphone, and internet access. So as someone who just helps you make money in different side hustles here, it's kind of similar to most of these gig apps: phone, vehicle, internet, to be available and work on your own time. As mentioned, the availability nationwide. Here's the states, here's the cities. Now I'm in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and as mentioned, I've done a similar and competing platform. I've picked up, I've went through, like sorted, washed, folded, and ultimately delivered a customer's laundry. It seems simple enough, and there's actually 3 platforms I'm gonna show you in this video. So if the process is decent, I pick it up, I wash it, etc., let's go over how to qualify and of course the pay, and how is the pay compared to other similar platforms. Here's their application process. Pretty straightforward. They ask, do you have the license? Can you do pickups and deliveries? Do you have a fully functional washer and dryer, etc.? Kind of basic here. Are you able to lift and carry 40 pounds? You'll see these similar again across different apps in the gig economy. Then it asked, please describe your previous work experience. So I did that, and good time to subscribe here because yes, I have basically 10 years this year. It'll be 10 years October in the gig economy here. And what prior experience prepares you for this role? I've done Poplin. Poplin, their competing adjacent other platform. Describe your laundry process. How do you do your laundry? Let's just make sure here from start to finish. Now, other platforms, there's Poplin and there's Hampr. They ask, how big is your washer and dryer? I think one of the platforms is 3.6 cubic feet. They want to make sure it's large enough so you can take one hamper, let's say, one hamper in one load. But LaundryCare said specifically, tell us the make, model, and year of your washing machine and dryer. I didn't really know how to do it. It's back there, so I had to look it up. And I have this GE unitized space maker. It is a 3.8 cubic foot capacity washer with stainless steel basket and 5.9 cubic feet capacity electric dryer, model number, etc., etc. After that, they did prompt you with this, so you can choose your delivery radius. That's nice. And other platforms, again, Hampr, Poplin, do this as well. It's good because I don't want you to drive like 40 minutes away. It doesn't make sense for the pay, the time, and the mileage there. So this was the default. You can see I'm in Pittsburgh, defaults to 10 miles. Then it asks for your availability here, and then you're done, and it says we've received and we're reviewing your application. So all that aside, I've applied, I'm waiting to hear back, etc. What about the pay though? How much will I get paid? For our most popular service, wash and fold for clothing, you are paid $20 per bag plus a service fee of $3. This does not include tips that may be added by the client and paid 100% to you. There are other services you can perform, such as ironing, which is an additional per item payment. The bag is the same size as a kitchen trash bag. That's typically a 13-gallon kitchen bag. The client fills the bag with their clothing and sometimes household items like towels and sheets. The average order size is 2 wash and fold bags, with the average bag weighing 15 pounds. For comparison, that is the same to, I believe, Hampr. 13-gallon kitchen bag, average weight of 15 pounds. So here's a mock-up of the pay here. 2 bags, wash and fold, $20 each. So I get $40 for these 2 bags. If the customer tips you $10, plus you get a $3 service fee, this would be $53. Now, let's look actually at an order request from competitor Poplin. So when I'm looking at an order like this, I'm looking at the pay, the mileage, because you have to drive there, drive back home, or wherever you're gonna go. You can do this at a laundromat as well, just so you know. But drive back home and then drive back to that customer. So consider that. And then for any of these platforms, how many bags are you gonna be delivering? Because if I'm driving there, let's say it's 5 miles and it's $13, it sounds okay on paper, at least one way, but remember, round trip. Now, I want you to make at least $1.75 paid out per mile, $20 to $25 plus per hour. And actually, we're coming out with a brand new tool that's gonna help you with your earnings here at the end of the year. So sign up for our newsletter. But when I'm looking at this, I wanna say 2 bags, 3 bags, and remember what LaundryCare is paying you here, $20 per bag. Compare that actually to that competing platform that I've done, Poplin. They say your earnings for standard service start at 75 cents per pound of laundry completed, plus tips, and then express, you can see it's $1.50 per pound for completed laundry. And they have a minimum. It says you'll always earn at least $22.50 plus tips per order on Poplin. So this is what I want you to consider. Like if you're looking at LaundryCare, also look at Poplin and Hampr. And obviously you have to check availability because some of those platforms aren't available in all marketplaces. And then Hampr, they say, our washers are paid 70% of our standard market rates per load. And you can also earn additional fees for orders with less than 4 hampers. A hamper is just that, like a hamper, a bag of laundry there. Orders with upgraded detergent, and will keep 100% of all customer tips. One city, for instance, $15 per load on the customer end. So you'd earn 70% of that plus any additional fees and tips. So initial verdict as someone who signed up for LaundryCare, $20 per bag plus any additional fees plus tips, and as someone who's done a laundry washing gig, a couple of them actually, is it worth it to handle someone's dirty laundry? Number one, just talking logistically, it is kind of easy. It's, I pick it up, the bag or hamper or whatever is sitting there on the porch, what have you. You pick it up, you put it in your vehicle, and you drive back home and you wash it. It's also kind of uniquely semi-passive. I mean, it's the washing automated, the drying that's automated. There can be hang dry. Consider that, more time, what have you. You can do other things, of course, while that washer and dryer is running. You can't really do that, on rideshare, food delivery, parcel delivery, a lot of these other gig apps. It's just dealing with the dirty laundry. I get it, but it wasn't that bad. One was decent. One was certainly more dirty, we'll say. So let me know in the comments, would you consider LaundryCare or Poplin or Hampr? Or if you like to just watch me do it and report back to you, working for LaundryCare, is it actually worth it?